Hello, my students. Today we are going to start working with question words. As you can see in the activities I sent you, you have some of them about question words. So it's important we start learning more about that. Let's start. Remember that question words help us to write asking sentences. That's why we have a question mark here. Remember, always that we write a question sentence, we have to use a question mark. Remember that we'll write the question words in the beginning of the question. Always in the beginning, okay? I have a table to teach you how to use them. For example, I have the question word what. We are going to use what to talk about situations, things, or activities. We have the question word who. We'll use this question word to ask about persons. For example, mom, dad, he, she, my brother, my best friend, etc. We are going to use the word when to ask about the time. As the example you have here, tomorrow, today, this morning, etc. We have the question word why. In this case, we are going to ask about a reason. And we'll always answer by using the word because. I'll show you some examples about that, okay? In the next question word, we have the question word where. With where, we are asking about places. For example, in the park, in the camp, in the house, in the supermarket, etc. And finally, we have the question word at what time. By using this question word, we are asking about the time, about the hour. For example, at 10 o'clock, at 3:15, etc. I have some examples for you, okay? This is the first one. What would you like to do? If you can see, we have the question word here. ¿Qué te gustaría hacer? Here we are asking about an activity. In the second example, we have the question word who. Remember that we are asking about a person. Who would you like to play with? ¿Con quién te gustaría jugar? You can answer with my best friend, with my mom, with my dad, with my brother, my sister, okay? In this case, we have the question word when. When would you like to go to the beach? ¿Cuándo te gustaría ir a la playa? Remember that you can use tomorrow, today, next year, etc. In this exercise or in this sentence, we have the question word why. In this case, we are asking for a reason. Why won't you like to travel to Africa? ¿Por qué no te gustaría viajar a África? And you can answer several answers because I don't like the weather, etc. Okay? You are giving the reason. Here we have the question word where. Remember that we are asking about places. Where would you like to travel these holidays? And you are going to answer, for example, I would like to travel to China. Finally, we have the question word at what time. At what time would you like to go to the cinema? ¿A qué hora te gustaría ir al cine? I hope that this information helped you to do your activities easier. See you the next time. Bye.